In order to save storage on your Android, you can install some apps directly to your SD card. So open up your settings. Now we have to scroll down to our About Phone section, and here we gotta find our status information. Oh no, I'm sorry. We are to find our software information, and we gotta find our build number. There it is. That's what we need. So let's tap on it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we are to enter our current PIN. Great. So as you see, our developer mode has been turned on. Perfect. Now let's go and scroll down to our developer options. So in our developer options, we are to find force allow apps on external. I recommend using a search because developer options are just a huge, big list of different options. So let's find this one. Force allow apps on external. Great. Now we have to enable this. So simply tap on the switch. Now it will be enabled. Now all the applications which are gonna be installed will be installed directly to your SD card. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.